What's going on, everybody? This is New York City. This is just outside my fire escape here. Just a moment. Why don't we make this interesting and actually go out into the fire escape? My wife was just saying, "Oh, don't fall down off the fire escape. That wouldn't be good." See, I'm standing out here in my long johns. Got the eastern sky behind me. The wind is picking up a little bit, but it's absolutely stunning around here. I mean, check it out. Look at that. This is just the beginning according to the weather forecast. You see all the snow flying around me? We're supposed to get like, what, up to 3 inches every hour into tomorrow morning. Wow, check it out. There's Broadway. Oh yeah, it's cold. I'm not gonna lie, but my buddy Scott, hey Scott, what's up, buddy? Told me to make a video, so here I am on my fire escape here in the Bronx. All right, you have yourself a wonderful evening, and if you're in New York City, stay warm and safe. Okay, later.